sweet, sweet memories.
My grandmother lived to be how old?
99.
And how did she get there, according to her?
According to her, was the olive oil and garlic. She put in everything she ate.
You know, and how old are you?
Do I have to tell you?
Yes.
I'm 85.
Holy moly, so maybe Grandma Rossi had a point.
A point, I don't know, but I would not doubt it.
If you want to live to be a ripe old age, I mean, you know, I ain't gonna make it.
Yeah.
This horse has been rode a little too hard and left in the barn too many times wet. But this guy, 85 years old, his mother 99, and her mother, how old?
Grandma Primo, probably 80.
80 or more.
Don't forget a small moonbeam.
The memories you gave me.
Fold in lightly with a dream.